Hey, Ethan. Who's got the hickey ups?
Hi, Carl. Thank you. Good morning. Sydney and the Illawarra are holding up
Hey.
this morning after storms and torrential rain wreaked havoc overnight. Some areas recorded a month.
Hey, hello. Hello.
Traffic gridlock on the road, while this car park has been totally preserved in a matter of minutes. The city's empty suburbs was also hit. Residents who Bellevue Hills problems getting their cars out of the driveway this morning after the storm caused a trench in the road to collapse and hail caused havoc on roads in the Blue Mountains. And this winter from the weather
Okay, say goodbye now. Bye-bye now.